This quarter is brought to you by Siemens Mobile. Spelling ng break. Okay.
Break dancing.
Second quarter po ng labanang ito ng Alaska Aces at ng Tanduay Rum. Magandang gabi po Pilipinas, ang inyong mga lingkod para sa Viva Vintage Panel. Ed Tixon po lamang kasama si Coach Tommy Manotok. At so far, maganda itong pinakikita ng Tanduay. Nakikipagsabayan sa Alaska Aces. As a matter of fact, they held a 9-0 lead at the start of this ball game.
Saka dito, nagpre-press sila sa second quarter dahil walang pure point ang Tanduay. No?
Ito
ang
si
Alaska, in other words.
Kenneth Duran, hirap na, ayun maganda yung depensa yun na pinakita ng Tanduay.
Dahil wala ng oras, no? By the time they got the ball to the shooting or passing position.
At maganda rin, kinuha nila yung rebound. Kanina kasi, kahit tumihigpit yung depensa nila, hindi naman nila makuha yung rebound. Wala rin. Narito ngayon si Jason Webb. Don Tiveros, we were just talking about him during the pregame. Biglang tumira si Noli Locsin. Again, nobody there for the rebound para sa Tanduay. Ito na, forward pass to Ali Peak. Pumihit. Natapik ang bola. And last touch on Alaska.
In fairness, yung Balingit was there, no? Si Ali medyo nag-aalangan dahil mas malaki si Balingit, no? Ngayon, he looks a little bit more forceful pero masyado naman, no? Dahil ang tao niya dito is si Noli Locsin.
Doon sa pihit nga lang niya, natapikan siya. Jason Webb.
Bonel did a good job, I feel, no?
Yeah.
Ali, no?
Ginawa niya yung trabaho niya. Coming out is Kevin Freeman. Now going up against Terrence Badgett. Tumira sa labas, masyado malakas. That time, Rea Lubit was there, but he was unable to control it. Okay na sana, no? Merong rebound sa ilalim. Hindi naman na-control.
Which is what Saldi is really known for, no? Picking up the garbages and getting the rebounds. No?
23-19, a 4-point lead para sa Tanduay Rum. Here's Kenneth Durandes.
Foul number 1, Jason Webb.
Yung pressure na binibigay nila sa kung sino man nagdadala ng bola, no? So, really the best way to defend Alaska is to pressure the ball carrier, no? Dahil doon nag-uumpisa ang passing ng Alaska.
Ali Peak against Zaldi. Wala. Rebound to Jason Webb. Napailan ni Jason Webb si Wok. Alam niya, dumarating si Wok sa likod. Sabi niya, hindi makakapreno to. Hindi gumamit ng Preston brake fluid. Kaya bumangga siya. Ito, makikita natin the slow-mo replay brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Noli Locsin, buo pwesto. There's the pick by Noli. Out to Don Tiveros. Sumaksak sa loob. Nabitawan ng bola. Gets it back to Noli Locsin. The fake. Inside. Woo! Top. May foul na nakita. At naglalagot naman si Coach Tim Gold. He felt it was all ball. But referee Franco Ilagan. At ang talagang kinakakuha ni Coach Tim Gold.
Walking daw kanina si Tiveros.
At isa pa, ang tinawagan yung import niya. Pangatlong personal foul na yan. As you saw that slow-mo brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it. For free activation, call 171. Matindi yun. Third personal foul on Terrence Badgett.
The breaks not going his way. And, Coach Tim is not one of those bad breaks sitting down. No? Talagang very vocal yan.
And very animated.
He will let you know.
Samantala, it is now 24-19, a 5-point lead para sa Tanduay.
Ito yung pressing ng Tanduay that really gives them 8 seconds before they can bring the ball down ng Alaska. No?
And leaves them 10 seconds now. Ito biglang tumira si Rodney Santos. Nobody there for the rebound except Kevin Freeman for Tanduay. Freeman into the front court. Kinakaharap si Badgett. Nilabas kay Jason Webb. Balik-ulit kay Freeman for the 3-point shot from top of the key. Yes, spectacular long-distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute. Anytime in the Philippines, call 171 for free NDD activation. 15 puntos na. Ang ginagawa nito si Freeman. Alalahanin po ninyo, ang average ito, mga 22 lamang per game. Kumanti naman si Terrence Badgett for the 6th point. Uy, mataas ang pasa pero nakuha ulit ni Don Tiveros. Titira na tres! Another spectacular long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute anytime and anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation.
Talking of Dondon, ito na, nasa gitna na si Tim.
Si Tim Cole pumasok na sa loob ng hardcourt. At si referee Benji Chua medyo kinakalma lang si Dinededma si ayun na, technical na. Technical na.
Hindi
Ano
mapigilan.
nireklamo ni Coach Tim Cole? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Madami siya nireklamo.
Oo.
Yung timeout niya,
Yung timeout.
yung hindi ditawag ng mga walking, napunta sa third foul ni Budget. I mean, you know, these are things that happen talaga, no? In the span of 48 minutes, you will have 30 seconds or 1 minute that you will not get the calls that you would want, no? But it is not still a determining factor of the game, no?
Maaga pa naman.
Oh, maaga pa. Meron na siyang isang technical dito. Pagka na pangalawa ito, ma-out siya. Yun ang determining factor of the game pag wala na silang coach, no?
Meanwhile, it's time to grab that ice-cold Sunmig Light. Only 13 pesos at the store near you. Sunmig Light, full beer flavor. Same beer alcohol, but it's less filling. Pero kung minsan, meron siyang tinatawag na, ito si Coach Tim Cole, may tinatawag siyang working the referees. You want to let them know that, you know, you're aware of the situation. You'd like to let them know what you want. Nabantayan nila, no?
And early,
importante rin yan, no? Kung minsan pa nga, sinasadya na isang coach na magpa-technical, eh.
Tama yun.
Di ba?
I think he wants to let them know now that medyo dehado kami rito. Huwag niyo patuloy ito, no? Behind by 9 na kami. Kung ganyan pagtawag ninyo, wala na kami pag-asa nito, no? Masyado kami maiiwanan, no?
That's right. And it is a 9-point lead, the 30-21 para sa Tanduay Rum.
But in fairness, Tanduay is playing well, partner.
Yes.
It is not really the referee's calls here, no? That they've done well, and the Freeman is doing very well.
Correct. And here comes Rodney Santos. Yung depensa ng Tanduay, matutuwa ka rin, ano, sapagkat napakahigpit. Although here, Jason Webb gives up the foul against the slashing Rodney Santos. Second personal on Jason Webb. Pero kakaiba pinakikita ng Tanduay dito, Coach Tommy.
More hustle, more everybody's moving their feet, no? And more determination as far as defense is concerned. Nagre-press sila, nagko-cover up sila, and frustrating the Alaska patented offense, no? That has wall movement, no?
Samantala, ito si Rodney Santos coming off the bench para sa Alaska Aces. Has not scored. Oh yes, he has 2 points. Scored in the first quarter.
Medyo inaalat pa ng konti ang Alaska. They've started off a bit cold and the shooting is a bit off.
Siguro parang si Ledwaber rin ito eh. Nagulat. Nagulat nung biglang umatake itong Tanduay. Si Ledwaber kanina eh. Hindi rin niya akalain na si Manny Pacquiao eh. Meron palang ganong klaseng mga suntok.
Ngayon lang niya nakita.
Jason Webb misses Ali Peak with a pitch. And Freeman takes it away from Badgett. And Badgett will be called for his 4th personal foul. Pang-apat na yan. At nakita niyo yung reaction ni Coach Tim Cone. That hurts.
Pero talagang foul yun eh. Wala tayong magagawa. Ang pasa napunta sa import ng Tanduay kay Freeman. Tapos kinakap niya.
So that is a slow-mo play brought to you by PLDT Text 135. If you can't say it, text it for free activation. Call 171. Freeman. Ay, teka muna. Merong loose ball foul.
Loose ball foul.
Loose ball foul, number 35, Saldi Rayolubit.
Rayolubit is called for that loose ball foul, so no baskets there. John Arrigo will come in for Badgett.
Nagkakaroon ng mismatch ngayon sa import. Alaska will go back to their double teaming. So Tanduay has to be ready now to kick off, no? Si Freeman has to ready to kick off to his teammates when he's double teamed.
Narito si Rodney Santos trying to get past Ontiveros. That's a Tapal Wilcasil by Dondon Ontiveros.
Definitely more movement, partner, from the Tanduay players dito, no? More determination.
Mas inspired sila.
Dahil nakikita na lamang sila dito. Pwedeng manalo. They can beat the top team in this conference, no?
At yung sinabi mo kanina, Coach Tommy, itong si Kevin Freeman, kay kakaibang kinikilos, na-inspired naman yung mga Lucas. Ayun pala eh. Yan pala, magtatrabaho na ba tayo ngayon? Hindi ba? Talagang pukpukan na tayo.
On the ball tayo ngayon, sabi ng mga Tanduay players, no? And they have a chance here.
Ali Peak against Zaldi. Ooh, stepping on the baseline.
Out of bounds, stepping on the baseline.
Alam na ng the defense of Tanduay was prepared for today's game. No? Coach Derek has done his homework, and you could see they were pressing in the beginning. When Ali gets the ball, he's double teamed right away. No? And they're doing well so far. No?
Yes.
We'll see how Team Cone adjusts and how the readjustment will be in the latter part of the game.
Samantala, Kevin Freeman trying to break off from Kenneth Duremdes. We'll pick up another foul from Kenneth. That's number 2 on Captain Marbel.
Ito yung ginagawa ni Coach Tim when he got Duremdes. He was not known for his defense. No? But he sometimes puts him on an offensive player known like Freeman. Pero double yan, in other words.
Dapat may
Alam
tutulong.
mo, may tutulong. Alam nila kung saan ilalagay. No?
Yeah, pagdating kay wala pang tulong.
Diyan
Ayun,
na.
pagdating sa natin. Ontiveros is open. Wala. Arrigo para sa rebound. May loose ball foul. Could it be on Jason? It will be number 3 on Jason Webb. At napakaaga, Coach Tommy, pareho ng tig-4 na team fouls itong Alaska at Tanduay.
Well, it goes to show you the intensity, partner, of the defense, of the wanting of Tanduay to get the ball and play aggressive basketball tonight. No?
8-point lead para sa Tanduay Rum. At ito si John Arrigo. Kenneth Duremdes. 3-second violation sa Alaska. Talagang inaalat.
They're in the wrong places too long. Talagang, there are games like that. No? You start with, now they have to get over it and allow themselves to pick up the pieces. No?
Yes. At ngayon naman, si Coach Derek Pumarin has brought back Dindo Pumarin to act as point guard para sa Tanduay Rum after Jason Webb picked up his third personal. Narito si Dondon to Freeman. Freeman trying to go baseline. Hey! Masyadong mababa para kay Zaldi Realubitian.
Yun ang sinasabi natin, partner. He'll be double teamed now when he drives in. There'll be 3 players. They have to design plays now to be able to find their local players to be able to deliver.
Sigurado may libre dyan eh. Arrigo. Wala. And Noli Locsin has the rebound. Here's Dindo Pumarin. Into the front court. Pumarin naghaharap ng mapapasahan. He's looking at Dondon Ontiveros. Ontiveros out to Freeman. Freeman against Rodney Santos. Freeman looking around. Finds Zaldi Realubit. Short jumper by Zaldi. Yes, he usually is able to make that.
Favorite spot ni Zaldi Realubit sa kanto.
10-point lead now. Biggest lead by Tanduay in the game. We are in the second quarter, halfway through the second period. Ali Peak, Arrigo. Good ball movement here by Tanduay, but tenacious defense being applied by Tanduay against Alaska. Na yung depensa sinasabi natin. 3-on-2 break here. Kevin Freeman to Dindo Pumarin. Yes. 12 na. Ang abante ng Tanduay over Alaska.
Sinasabi natin, anticipating the offense of Alaska. Talagang alert ang defense ng Tanduay tonight.
Nice cut there by Ali Peak and the No Fear Slam Jam. Face your fears, live your dreams.
Reverse si Ali Peak doon. Ang problema, walang pressure sa bola. No? If there was pressure on the ball, Realubit could have recovered, but there was no pressure on the passer. So he was able to deliver a very nice pass, alley-oop to Ali Peak.
Here's Dondon Ontiveros from top of the key. That's his second PLDT NDD long distance shot.
Looks like he's picking up his game here. And that's what Tanduay needs. No?
Kailangan ng kontribusyon ni Dondon Ontiveros para i-back up yung import. As Arrigo finally drills in his own PLDT NDD long distance shot. Parang binura.
Na-delay ang rotation ng Tanduay ito. Masyadong matagal na pabayaan si Arrigo. Parang free throw yun eh.
Ayun na naman si Ontiveros! Yes! Still another PLDT NDD long distance shot. Alam niyo naman ito si Dondon eh. Pagka nag-umpisa ito, ayan na naman! At this time, Noli Locsin, offensively na Kevin Freeman gets it para sa Tanduay. No foul there. Pero may kumabayo doon eh, Kevin Freeman. Pero offensive rebounding there by Tanduay Rum. And the long-distance shooting of Dondon Ontiveros has given them this 15-point spread. You look at that, 42-27. We have a timeout by Alaska. We have about 4 minutes remaining here in the second quarter. Lamang po ng 15 na ang Tanduay Ram. Ito ngayon, John Ordonio. As you look at the three-point field goals, 6 out of 11 for Tanduay. Those stats brought to you by QuickType, all-in-one blue technology by Loctite. Dito.
Medyo sa eagerness ni dito, no? Dumayb.
Ito, panahon natin. Oh, yun, we slide.
Nadulas.
Hindi nadulas. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Ang layo naman ito. 1 second to go kasi doon sa shot clock. Kaya tinira na ni John Arrigo. Here comes Dino Pumaren. Ontiveros na naman! Golden Ontiveros already has 4 of those PLDT NDD long distance shots. 4 na.
Over the average na siya.
Oh, nabati lang natin kanina, Coach Tony. Sabi natin, ano ang nangyayari dito kay Dondon Ontiveros? Sabi naman niya, dito pa ako. Bigyan niyo lang ako ng konti panahon, sabi niya. Samantala, mga bisita natin dito sa Araneta Coliseum, yan si Nicholas at si Clifford Nathaniel. Si Nicholas, apo. Yan, sinabi lang sa akin, apo ni Ronnie Nathaniel. Si Clifford naman, anak ni Mr. Ronnie Nathaniel. Bumisita rito sa Araneta Coliseum.
May hawig nga ng konti.
Meron.
But the race is improving.
Ikaw may sabi niya, si Tommy Manotok mo nang sabi. Samantala, another 3-point shot. PLDT NDD long distance shot by John Arrigo, his second. Ito naman ngayon si Kevin Freeman.
Yung sinasabi natin pag-double, no? Dapat making out yan.
Dondon Ontiveros breaking away. Masyadong matulis yung tira. And Kenneth Durendes gets it over to Arrigo. Back to Durendes. Durendes zigzagging to the front court. Durendes tuloy-tuloy. Binigay kay Ordonio. Open shot for John Ordonio. Wala. Dalawa. Ayun. Nabundol naman ni Kenneth Durendes si Dondon Ontiveros. That'll be a foul. His third. Kenneth Durendes picking up foul number 3. Things not going Alaska's way. 15 puntos ang kalamangan ng Tanduay over Alaska in the second quarter. We have this timeout. Balik po tayo dito sa Araneta Coliseum and an unusual turn of events here, Coach Tommy. Hindi akalain ito dahil itong Alaska nangunguna po sa liga. Itong Tanduay naman ang isa sa mga nasa ilalim. Pero ang Tanduay po ang namamayani sa kasalukuyan dito sa second quarter. With only 2 minutes and 32 seconds remaining in this period. Tanduay is up by 15 points.
Partner, this is the PBA, no? And, we all know that the league is balanced, no?
That's right.
The firepower of Tanduay is there. It may be a bit dormant for a few games, pero ngayon talagang mukhang led by Freeman, no? They're really picking up, no?
Alam mo, parang prophetic yung nasabi ko kanina sa umpisa. Stranger things have happened here in the PBA. Sapagkat hindi mo talaga masasabi kung kailan puputok ang isang koponan. At kung kailan naman you will catch another team on its downside. No?
Tsaka yung law of averages na sinasabi natin.
Yes,
Alaska has won 4 games in a row. And they're really due for an off game. No?
Yes.
So if they meet an opponent with an on game, with a super on game, no? Talagang anything is possible. No?
That's right. Ito na naman yung press ng Tanduay. Willie Arboleda is in the game for the first time para sa Tanduay. Remember that the import of Alaska is saddled with 4 personal fouls. Kaya nasa bangko po yun. Si Terrence Badgett picked up foul number 4 earlier in this period. So he has to be sat down. Samantala, nasa penalty na po itong Tanduay. On that foul by Noni Locsin, he sends James Walkvist to the free throw line. Siya nga pala, ika-24 po ng Hunyo ngayon. Araw ng San Juan. So, yung mga San Juan dyan na nagpipiesta dito sa Metro Manila, happy fiesta po sa inyo. Doon sa amin sa Leyte, actually sa Southern Leyte, ang kani Kabalian, karon San Juan na. Ay fiesta diha kaninyo, ni Boy Mortera diha sa San Juan, Southern Leyte. Ang dami nagbabasaan ngayon.
Kasi sa Palayan, partner, sa Batangas, sa amin sa Kalatagan, hindi ka makakadaan kung hindi ka mabasa ng konti.
Meron din San Juan, Batangas, di ba? Meron yan. Uy, Noli Locsin to Winnie Arboleda. Arboleda, 3 seconds on the shot clock. Puts it up. Air ball. And ball goes out of bounds. Sabi ni referee Ilagan in favor of Tanduay, pero inabot na po ng 24-second buzzer. So, pupunta na yan sa Alaska. Inbound to John Arrigo. Arrigo takes it inside. Had to pass it off to John Ordonio with a nice follow through.
Evans, partner.
Magkamukha yan, no? Kenny Evans, para nandito.
Yan ang mga tweets. Parehong point guard, no?
Gulat ako. Kanina kasi, puro Ordonio ginagamit. Si Evans pala yun. 13-point lead. Pero tinawagan naman ng foul. Ay, buti naman nabanggit na sa Coliseum PA para malaman na lahat. Ayun si Ordonio.
Ito, dalawa sila to make up for the report. We have two small ones, no? And foul trouble yung malaki report nila.
Magkamukha pa yung pinagsama. Winnie Arboleda at the line. Pareho nga po nasa penalty nito dalawang kupunang ito. 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. 14 puntos sa kalamangan ng Tanduay Ram. One more for Arboleda to bring it up again to a 15-point spread para sa Tanduay. Here's John Ordonio. Evans. Blocking foul on Dondon Ontiveros. First personal on Dondon. So pareho pong nasa penalty yan. So dito hahaba na haba ito habang may foul na tinatawag.
So, parehong medyas dito. Tsaka si Ordonio, mahabang medyas, no?
Medyo bumabalik na rin yung mahabang medyas na yan, ano?
And I think this is the first game he's played, no? In this conference, ito si Evans, no?
Pare, dahil medyo nagulat tayo. You look at Mr. Waki Trillo.
And he's a point guard. Normally dito, si Tim, hindi nagpo-point guard, no? So na-off ngayon, naglalagay siya ng dalawang point guard to really break the press here of Tanduay, no? He wants one guy to bring the ball down and not his passing plays which Tanduay has actually prepared for.
Huling-huli na ng Tanduay yan. At tama ka, Coach Tommy, unang laro ito ni Kenny Evans dito sa conference na ito. Twisting shot by Kevin Freeman. Aliado takes it. Narito si Evans. Evans against Arboleda. Evans trying to shake off Winnie Arboleda. Arrigo. Medyo ginaganahan ito si Evans, ha? Don Aliado.
Ilan siya nakalaro, eh. Pinapakawalan na siya ni Coach Steve Con.
Arrigo, long three-point shot. Nope. A rebound, that one in Noli Locsin. 44 seconds remaining in the second quarter. It is a 13-point lead para sa Tanduay over the Alaska Aces. Kevin Freeman, Winnie Arboleda. Noli Locsin, post, offensive foul, yes. Hindi na pwede yung gano'n, eh, no? Atras ka, tapos sabi ni referee de Dios, may kasama pa Siko. Second personal on Noli Locsin.
And this is the new rules, partner, that will really affect guys like Noli Locsin.
Yan ang...
Before or when they get the ball, even before, pupush na ng konti, no?
Atrasan ka ng atrasan niya.
So, the referees are very strict on that now.
13 pa rin ang abante ng Tanduay over Alaska. Kenny Evans has it. Aliado. Here's Arrigo. Arrigo down the paint. Nice slashing move by John Arrigo. Alam mo, itong lineup ng Alaska, walang import ito, pero puro spoken dollar yan. Kevin Freeman trying to take the last shot. Pero hindi pumasok. And so, Tanduay will have to be content with an 11-point lead at the end of 24 minutes of play. Score standing at 48-37 in favor of the Tanduay Rum Masters.